Hi there, thanks so much for joining me. My name is Rhiannon and I'm one of the founders of Barbecue Spit Rotisseries. Today I'm going to answer one of the most common questions we get asked from our customers, which is how high do I need to have my meat away from the charcoal when spit roasting? Now, one of the easiest ways to determine what height you should have your meat over the coals is what I like to call the 7-second rule. So what you should be able to do is hold your hand just under where the meat is over the coals for 7 seconds. Now, if you can't hold it there for 7 seconds, it means that the charcoal is too hot or that the meat is too close to the charcoal. So what you need to do is start to disperse the coals away or move the meat further away from the charcoal. If you can hold it there for longer than 7 seconds, that means that you don't have enough heat. So what you need to do is add some additional charcoal to the fire and also lower your meat closer to the fire. Now that's when you're cooking whole chickens or roast. I like to use the 7-second rule. If you're cooking some Greek gyros, I like to use the 4-second rule. So it's exactly the same thing. You should be able to hold your hand there for about 4 seconds and raise and lower as needed. If you'd like to stay connected and keep on upping your barbecue game, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give us a huge thumbs up, leave a comment in the comments section below, and we'll catch you in the next video.